Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching us today. A quick video guys on Volkswagen Touareg, the 3.2 V6 engine here guys. We'll show you how to remove and replace ignition coil. This one is severely hit in the front, but it does run and drive. You can check the video we have on World Mechanics. You can see where the frame is. We use it as a parts car. But as a whole guys, okay, this is the engine. So those are the ignition coils, 6 ignition coils, 6 cylinder. And in order to remove it, we'll demonstrate on the second cylinder right here. You need to grab it and like pull it up. Okay, it gets stuck, so you need to help it a little bit. And then we'll need to disconnect the wire. Okay, so let me show you now. One person need to hold it right here. And okay, you need to pry this thing just a little bit up. Okay, and we pull the wire out, and this is the ignition coil. You can see leaking oil inside. This thing is is almost dead. So how you remove those the wiring harness, let me show you now right here again. So this notch you need to press towards the back, okay, like that. And when you do, okay, check out, okay, you see how it releases, okay, like that. If it's stuck too much, what you guys need to do, you need to press down, okay, pry on the notch and then pull it out, and that way it will come out, as you can see. So just a quick video guys. If you need to do that repair, thank you for watching. See you guys next time.